Alright folks, welcome back. Ever had that moment? You go to use something, and bam! It just stopped working. Classic, right? Today, we're diving into troubleshooting. When things decide to take a nap. Trust me, it's fun. Picture this: your TV. You click the remote, nothing. Or your coffee maker, dead. Or, heaven forbid, your internet vanishes. These are the "it just stopped working" moments, and they're common. First things first, don't panic. Deep breaths. We've all been there. Groan, sigh, it's normal. But before you panic, let's run through some basics. Let's start with easy fixes. Number 1. Check the power. I know, obvious, but you'd be amazed. Plugged in? Outlet working? Sometimes, it's that simple. Give it a good plug-in and check. Next, the on-off switch. Again, seems basic, but we miss things. Make sure it's turned on. If it has a light, check if it's on. Double check. If power and switch are good, then check connections. Cables, wires, anything that connects. Wiggle them. Unplug and plug them back in. Sometimes, a loose connection throws a wrench into things. Loose HDMI? No picture. Wonky power cord? No coffee. Simple solutions are often best. Okay, so the basics are covered. What if it's not? Next is a quick reset. Unplug, wait 30 seconds, and plug back in. This gives it a chance to reboot and clear glitches. Like giving your computer a restart. If a reset doesn't work, consult the manual. Yes, manuals are usually buried, but they can be helpful. They often have troubleshooting sections. It's like a tech support expert. Now, let's talk software updates. Sometimes, a device needs an update. Annoying, because you want to use it, right? But updates fix bugs and improve performance. Check for an update. Install it. It might save you. Still not working? Could be hardware. This gets complicated. Maybe the screen is the problem. Maybe it is hardware. Before that, search online. Many problems are already solved. So there you have it. Tackling "it just stopped working" moments. Stay calm, start simple, and dig a little deeper. With patience, you can often get things running. If all fails, call tech support. Good luck, and happy troubleshooting.